not all people who want Apple's iPhone Ultra will be able to get it, according to analyst Ming-Chi Kuo. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Kuo believes the demand for Apple's first foldable smartphone will be so high that the company will only make 500,000 to 1 million units after it launches late in 2026. Then it'll gradually speed up the production and ship around 7 to 8 million units by the end of 2026. Apple will start slow due to the iPhone Ultra's innovative folding design, but will create manufacturing challenges when production first starts. The situation will be similar to the iPhone X, which also had a slow start to production due to technical innovations, like an OLED all-screen design, notch, and true-depth Face ID camera. Despite a high price of $2,500, demand for the foldable iPhone will be high as per carriers, sales channels, and resellers. Kuo's expecting it to sell out immediately after pre-orders open. He said, scarce initial supply, a highly recognizable design, and an innovative user experience should all support a short-term resale premium. All these leaks keep pouring in while Apple has yet to confirm the existence of its long-rumored and still unnamed foldable phone. However, Apple's recent iOS 27 beta contains terms like fold state and angle degrees, as well as a variable for the total number of built-in displays on the host device. Even the iPhone Ultra, aka iPhone Fold, is only a rumored name and could change. The phone is expected to offer 5.5-inch exterior and 7.8-inch interior display. It's likely to be squarer than Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7, making it wider when unfolded. It might also use a flexible OLED with a laser drilled metal support plate to disperse stress and will have a nearly invisible crease. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.